I'm actually a huge fan of how this look turned out. I wanted to do something glowy and something really fast because I have to be in a mood to like do a long look. You know what I mean? Like it's not like every day that I'm like, ooh, I really want to do my makeup for 5 hours. I have those days a lot, but it's definitely not every day. You know what I mean? So sometimes I just want something like super quick and just get it over with, get out the door kind of thing. So I wanted to do something summery and glowy as hell. Because obviously beach party season is here and summer parties, all that kind of good stuff. It's all approaching and I wanted to do something very quick for that kind of occasion. The skin part of it is drugstore, so that is also very nice. This video is in collab with L'Oreal, but I'm just gonna get right into it. I usually don't like bathe my décolleté so when I do, I like feel some type of way about it, you know what I mean? Like I feel like so sensual and like, let's go to a photo shoot on the beach kind of way. Thank you for letting me do sponsored videos, by the way. I really do appreciate it. I really appreciate it. It helps me a lot and I hope you guys like this video. I'm a huge fan of this, so I hope you are too. Okay, I'm gonna stop like exposing my shoulder. It's for the glow, okay? It's literally for no other reason rather than the glow. But I'm gonna hop right into it. Let's go. Okay. Bye. Alright, so I'm jumping in. First things first, I'm gonna apply this literally all over my body. This is the Lummi Glotion in the shade 902. If you have a darker complexion, they have darker shades as well, which are a little bit more bronzy. I mean, you could totally use them if you're pale as well. They would just give you like a little bit more of a tan. But I wanted mine to match pretty closely to my skin tone, so I went with the 902 one. And then I'm also going to add a little bit of the 901, which is like the super light shade, kind of just on my collarbones to bring them out a little more. But yeah, I'm just buffing all that in, making sure to use a big, dense brush because I don't want to lose any of the product. I want it to pretty much be as opaque as possible. You could also obviously do this on your legs as well. If I was to do a full body beach party look and I was wearing a dress or something, then I would definitely apply it on my legs. It doesn't stick, which I really appreciate about this product. A lot of these glowy body kind of creams and lotions, they get very glossy and sticky and they stick to your clothes and your hair. This one doesn't, so like I said, I can really appreciate that. I've had my hair stuck in a lot of weird body products before and I do not recommend. So after you're done with your body, I'm just moving on to my face and pretty much applying the very light shade all over my face. I could have also applied the 902 one, but I just wanted the most opaque glow. Just rubbing all that in as my kind of primer slash undercoat. I'm not going to be using a lot of face makeup in this look just because I want it to be very fresh and glowy and quick as well. But I am going to go in with a little bit of a BB cream just to kind of even out my skin tone a little. You can obviously also conceal if that's what you need or if you want to. You can conceal your under eye circles and all that good stuff, but I just don't really care a lot about my dark circles or like spots. I also did apply self-tanner prior to this video, so it helps a lot with the overall bronzy glow. If you're pale as hell like me, then you probably want to do that in order to get that bronzy look. Or don't, I mean, it's really your call, but I like to self-tan, so I did. I'm also going to list all the products down in the description as I always do. But yeah, just packing on that BB cream and kind of covering whatever I feel needs the most covering, but making sure most of my skin still gets to breathe and, you know, it's just going to be humid and hot outside, so I usually just don't bother. For the very glowy part of this tutorial, I'm taking the Lummi Glow Droplets, and this is the shade 507. I'm just applying it basically where I would apply regular highlight, just on my cheekbones, a little bit on my nose and my chin, and this will definitely bring the entire glow to this glowy look. Also, I'm using one brush for this whole face, but if you prefer to use better brushes, you can do that. I'm also applying a little bit of bronzer, just kind of define my cheekbones and make it a little more bronzy. And I'm also going to be setting my T-zone with a little bit of loose translucent powder just because I don't want to get oily and sweaty looking. I want to stay glowy, not sweaty, you know? Running just a little bit of Tinted Brow Gel through my brows just to have a little bit of definition, but I'm not going to spend much time on this just because I don't really care for them in the summer. If I'm completely honest, I'll either go with a completely clear gel or with a tinted one just to add a little bit of that definition. But you can obviously outline your brows if you're very particular with them. I know a lot of people are. It also helps if you use a waterproof one, but I did not. Keeping it very simple on the eyes, I'm just taking the highlighter palette, and this one is the Moon Kissed one. I'm just mixing the 2 bottom shades and just packing it onto my lid, and a little bit of the white shade onto my brow bone. Really just want to add a little bit of shimmer to my lids. I don't want to go with anything that kind of just throws itself into your face, you know? I just want to keep this look of the body glow more than anything. I'm also applying just a little bit under my eye, just to define my lower lid. Lower lash line, lower lid, you know, the lower part of the eyeball. Applying some mascara. It can be waterproof if that's what you're into. I hate removing waterproof mascara, so I'm just sticking with the regular. And just going in with a little bit of a nude lip pencil. And that is really it for the look. Super glowy. Let me know if you try it. Let me see your body glows, because I'm really into this entire vibe, as you could tell by this outro. But anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. I love you. Bye.